Sad. This is sad. But guys, as you can see, I've been working on the 180 back there, the one I show you in the video. I just want to give you an update what I was doing. This car was mine. I sold it. This was I was doing a race car, all motor race car, and I do all this performance to the car. Never got the chance to fire it up. It's brand new. It has brand new pistons, lightweight pistons from Bicycle. It has lightweight rods. It has a 301 cam, solid lifters, dual springs. It has all kinds of nice parts in there. Also, I did the carburetor flange for the carburetors, and custom made them. These carburetors are R1 Yamaha from 1000, I think. And you can see I was doing the bracket on that alternator, the racing alternator. The thing on this is the let me see. It's aluminum pulleys. Expensive. The thing in this is that I bought the car back, and the guy, because he wants to throw it away, and this car is like zero rust, no rust. This is the cleanest Mk2 I ever own, I guess. Or, well, actually no, because I used to have my black one, but I sold that one. But this car is zero rust. And I was like, man, no, why are you gonna throw it away? He said he was cleaning the house. The yard. Anyway, we got into a deal, got the car back, but he wants the block. Okay, so that was the deal, that he's gonna keep the block, but the head and the carburetors and the flange or whatever attach it to the head that he's not gonna use. He said I can have with the deal. The thing is, I'm trying to sell the head and the carburetors. Okay? Nothing has been run before. Everything is being, nice done and everything. 0 miles. I just want to get rid of the head and the carburetors. Wonder if I can get like 1800. I know I got like around 5K on this motor when I finish this thing, just in parts, not counting the labor. All the custom labor, work. But I'm trying to get 1800 or best offer. Selling everything about the block. So guys, let me know. This is an update what I was working on it, and I'm also showing you guys what's the update on this race car. It's sad. But guys, if you want to help me out, I'm selling the head. And this other race car right here, it's not a race car, but I bought them so I can put the 180 engine that I have inside. But I also sold that engine too, so I don't have nothing right now. And just been working for people like this, building cars. This right here is an AEB, now ABA like I wanted to, like the one that's I've been built. But yeah, this is AEB. It's fully built. This one has HB rods and pistons, dual valve springs. I don't know if you saw that or no. Or no, I don't think I have an update from this. But yeah, it has a dual valve springs. You can see that Tectonics right here with the titanium retainers. This will be fun. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick update. See what I was doing. I also have I need to do a quick video on my daily driving wagon. Also working on this Beetle, trying to clean him up and everything. Look at that seats. But yeah, I'm trying to like work on this Beetle, trying to clean it up and real good. This is diesel. But yeah, I want to give you an update on the one day on my wagon. I'm gonna see if I can show you a little tiny bit of her in the corner. Yep, that's my baby. Yeah, but later, not this time. I'm gonna do just one video for her